Welcome back to Trixie Wikipedia. Today we will discuss about classification of adrenocorticoids with its example. Let's start with classification of adrenocorticoids. The adrenal gland synthesizes steroid hormones known as adrenocorticoids or adrenal cortex hormones. And the adrenal cortex synthesizes two classes of steroids. Examples: glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. So examples of glucocorticoids are cortisone, cortisone acetate and hydrocortisone. And examples of mineralocorticoids are 11-desoxycorticosterone and aldosterone. Now moving towards the structure of all these examples. The structure of cortisone and cortisone acetate both are the same, and these examples comes under the steroidal category, and steroid contains 3 6-membered ring known as perhydrophenanthrene nucleus, and this 5-membered cyclopentane ring is fused with this perhydrophenanthrene ring. And wherever on is a suffix in the example, at that time we will attach ketonic function at third position of the basic skeleton. So in cortisone at third position this ketonic function will come, and in between carbon 4 and 5 unsaturation. Moving towards the 11th position, at the 11th position again ketonic function is present in the structure of cortisone, and at the 17th position this alpha hydroxyl group is present, and this CO, CH2 and O, if you replace this R with hydrogen you will get the structure of cortisone, and at 18th and 19th position methyl group is present. This is the structure of cortisone. And structure of cortisone acetate, here this acetate indicates the acetyl group is present in the structure of cortisone. If you replace this R with acetyl group you will get the structure of cortisone acetate, and remaining all functional groups and skeleton is the same as that of cortisone. Next is hydrocortisone, and hydrocortisone is also known as cortisol. This hydro indicates hydroxyl group is present in the structure of cortisone. Okay. If you analyze the structure of cortisone again, you will find at the 11th position this ketonic function is present in the structure of cortisone, but this ketonic function is replaced with hydroxyl group. You will get the structure of hydrocortisone. See the structure of cortisone and hydrocortisone. In hydrocortisone, again on is a suffix, so at third position this ketonic function will come, and in between carbon 4 and 5 unsaturation. At 11th position hydroxyl group is present in hydrocortisone. At 18th and 19th position methyl, and at 17th position this alpha hydroxyl group is present, and COCH2OH is present. So this is about the hydrocortisone. Next is mineralocorticoids, and examples are 11-desoxycorticosterone and aldosterone. Now structure of 11-desoxycortisone. This 11 indicates the position and this oxy indicates the removal of oxy group from the 11th position. So all these groups are same as that of cortisone again. At third position ketonic function is present, in between carbon 4 and 5 unsaturation. At 18th and 19th position methyl group is present, and at 17th position the COCH2OH present in 11-desoxycortisone. But at 11th position there is no ketonic function, and at 17th position there is no alpha hydroxy group in structure of 11-desoxycortisone. Next is aldosterone. In aldosterone again on is a suffix, so at third position this ketonic function will come, and at 4th and 5th unsaturation, and this aldo indicates aldehyde group is present in this structure. So at 18th position this aldehyde function will come, CHO is aldehyde. At 19th position methyl remains same as that of cortisone. At 11th position here again hydroxyl group is present in aldosterone, and at 17th position the COCH2OH is present same as that of cortisone. So this is all about the adrenocorticoids. Here the classification of adrenocorticoids is over. If you want to watch a video of steroid part 1, the link is given in a description box.